Probably the biggest hidden gem at Lowe's right now that nobody's talking about, the WEN cordless router. Now WEN, I have tested a lot of WEN tools over the years. I've got a WEN drill press, I've tested their track saws and a bunch of other tools. I think WEN is one of the most underrated tool brands that there is, especially for the price and the quality that you get. This is a brand new router apparently that I knew nothing about, and most of you probably didn't either. First and foremost, you get this as a kit for just over $100. That's almost unheard of as far as a cordless router goes, with the battery, a charger, and the router. This is a 4 amp hour battery too, so they're not even giving you the small 2 amp hour batteries. This is a 20 volt platform. This is a brushless motor, so you're getting the best power and performance out of that because of that brushless motor. This is also a variable speed router. It does have LED lights in the bottom. And of course you can adjust the depth right here with this fine-tune dial. When I adjust my router bases, I like when I clamp down to have a little bit of friction. If it doesn't have enough out of the box, there is a bolt right there. This is on all trim routers. You can tighten that up just a little bit and that'll give you a little bit more secure lock. That's how I prefer it, but it worked fine right out of the box. And speaking of out of the box, when you open it up, you get everything you need. You get the battery, the charger, the router, but you also get some really nice accessories like an edge guide, which I think is almost essential with a router. Plus you're going to get wrenches to change the bits, a dust cover, and a few other extras. Now, as far as the way it feels in the hand, it's not overly heavy, it's not top heavy, it's really well centered and has a nice rubberized grip right there where your hand goes. Overall, pretty nice little router. Now, putting it through the paces and doing some chamfers, this thing did really well. This is one of those routers that could be a great first router, or even if you already have routers and you just want to throw a chamfer bit in or a roundover bit, your most commonly used bits, you don't like swapping back and forth, this might be a good option just to stick one in there and leave it. Overall, when I first saw it, I saw 0 reviews. I was a little skeptical. Should I try it? Should I spend the money on it? But for $108, I took a chance and I'm glad I did. This is a solid little router for the price. Check out any of these hidden gems that I showed today. Links in the description, the pinned comment. Of course, you can click the View Products button here on YouTube. And as always, with my TV viewers, you can scan the QR code with your phone. It takes you right to my website so you can check these out as well.